Yeah, hi, this is Anvesh. I'm going to give the demo for ICP4. So in ICP4, first of all, first point they mentioned that I need to change the username and password with my name, and the second point, after changing that username from and password to my name, the translate activity page will open. In that, I need to create a two drop down buttons for first drop down to give the input language and second drop down to give the output language. So for suppose the first in first drop down if I select Telugu and in second drop down if I select English and if I wrote some text in Telugu, then that text will be translated to the English language. And after that, when I give the logout button, then it should be entered into the login page home screen. So now I will show the code how I wrote, how I given the drop down buttons, everything and all. So first of all, in strings.xml file, I created a two string arrays like with input language arrays and output language arrays. So here I create six languages in both input and output. And in content dot translate dot content translate XML, I created one button for logout. Here I use a function called logout. Once we click the logout button, it will call the logout function which is present in the translate activity. So one second, I will show that function. So you can see here, this is a function used for logout. So I am redirecting to the login activity page. I mean, when if we click the login button, then it will be redirected to the login activity page. Now, I will show how we created the drop down buttons. So initially, I created two spinners for drop down input and drop down output, and I created an array adapter for both input and output to get all the languages in a drop down list. So you can see here the code, everything. And then coming to the translate text view, uh, I am getting input language from drop down input and output language from drop down output, and also I am initializing two strings with input language code and output language code. I am using in switch case this input language I'm putting in the switch case, and I'm checking which language is coming, and corresponding language code I'm taking from that particular language. The corresponding language code I'm taking from that language, and same thing follows for output language also. I am getting this output language from drop down output. From that output language, I'm seeing that which language is coming that from that output language, and corresponding language code I am taking, and then I am passing this both input language code and output language code in the URL where we will get the inform. I mean, where the API where we will get the information after the translation, and then the rest of the process will come, and I will display the data which has been translated. Now I will show the demo for this particular app. So one second, screen recorder. So here you can see that the app I am giving the username as Anvesh, ANVESH, and the password I am giving some dummy password, some normal password. Then it will show please enter a valid username and password, and this is error scenario. Now I am giving password as ANVESH because my both username and password is Anvesh. Now I am giving sign in. Then it will go to this translate activity page. Now I am giving input language as in Telugu, and I am giving hi. Now I am translating to Chinese. You can see here this word in Chinese. I don't know whether it is correct or not, but there is information coming from API. Same follows for Hindi. So now I am giving input language as an English, welcome, and now I am giving output language as a Telugu. So in Telugu, welcome means Swagatam, and in Spanish this is been video, and in Japanese showing like this, and this is my when if I give logout button, then it going to the home page, which it is these one of the tasks which has been given in ICP4. I think I completed all the tasks in ICP4. Thank you.